Hi, I'm Sara from Stampin Up, and today we'll be showing you the Make a Memory Scrapbooking Kit. Memory keeping just got easier with this new all-inclusive kit. It comes with everything to make 6 spreads unique to you, and includes base pages, pattern papers, stickers, adhesives, and beautiful die-cut images and sentiments in English, French, and German. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or go back to any part of the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. This kit makes it simple to document memories anytime, anywhere. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!